Alright, this is Daddy Hawk bringing you another adventure in car repair video form this time. This is the Wonder Truck. It's a Ford F-150 93. Just did some work on the AC system. It got a new accumulator receiver dryer, new supply line, which goes all the way over here to the compressor and then into the AC condenser on the front, and a new low side intermediate line. So to recharge the system, you have to pull vacuum on a manifold gauge like this and get all the air and moisture out of the system before you recharge it. This system was originally an R12 system, which, as most of you know, R12 doesn't really exist anymore in sellable form to people like me. So this system has been converted to R134A, and to do that you add some fittings here and here so that you can use R134 gauge sets and so on and so forth. But the adventure for today has been finding this little gizmo here, which is a vacuum pump, and it comes with a T-fitting right here, and you connect your yellow fill line from your manifold gauge to the bigger fitting here. But for this to work, you have to have this fitting here, which is smaller, capped off. Now, the first one I picked up from an auto parts store only had the bigger cap, and so it wouldn't work, and I didn't notice that when I picked it up. So I go back to the store, and the kids behind the counter say, well, it only came with one cap. And I said, look at the box. The box clearly shows two caps. Where's the other cap? Well, I don't know. It came that way. And after several exchanges, I finally said, okay, show me how you expect this to work. And the kid tries to take the big cap and fit it onto the small fitting, and he goes, oh, that won't work. So I wound up going to 4 more stores trying to find one of these that had these caps intact. And as you can see, these are both busted, and I'm kind of kicking myself because at the 5th store I went to, I finally kind of woke up to the fact that I could get the R12 to R134A fitting conversion kit and cap off the small side line and use the big side line for the vacuum. So learn from my mistakes. If you need a cap and this one's busted, this fitting, the kit is like $6.50 or something like that plus tax, and it will cap this off and work just fine. So that endeth the adventure in car repair for today, and we're going to get around to charging this bugger as soon as this finishes sucking some vacuum out of the system. So good luck with that, and follow me for more car tips on learning how to not be an idiot when it comes to car repair.